Teaching is more than just a profession. It is a calling filled with dedication and love. A passionate teacher does more than impart knowledge. They inspire, guide, and shape the future of their students. With every lesson shared, teachers pass on not just information, but values and skills that last a lifetime. Though the path of teaching comes with challenges, the reward of seeing students grow and succeed makes it all worthwhile. In the end, the true measure of a great teacher is not just in the lessons they teach, but in the lives they change. Here are some teachers that have changed the lives of many.
I'm Ma'am Jonalyn Cabanas and I'm 26 years old. So for my years of teaching, I teach at private school for 2 years and then almost 2 years then under the Division of San Fernando. Tapos na-transfer ako dito sa Division of Pampanga and currently this is my pangatlong school year.
First question. What's the most rewarding part of being a teacher?
I think one of the most rewarding part of being a teacher is that you have the opportunity to impact the lives of the students, both academically and professionally. And ang sabi nga nila, yung mga teachers, they are producing another professional. I'm Mrs. Angeline G. Tanantiga, English teacher, and I am 10 years already in service, particularly in the DepEd. And I experienced 6 months from the private school at SDA College.
What's the most rewarding part of being a teacher?
Seeing the students, of course, learning and growing, and seeing them being successful. So that's already a rewarding feeling. Morning, I am Ms. Lillian C. Enriquez, and I am teacher for 7 years since 2017. I have 2 years experience in private and 35 years in public.
What's the biggest challenge faced in the classroom?
The biggest challenge I face in the classroom is most of the students in the Philippines, we know that they are struggling in math. They really hate math. But of course, as a teacher, I need to face the reality. I need to think of techniques on how to help them love math.
Okay, hello. So, yan po Ma'am Jenalyn Caliciano. May itong pupong talatanong maestra kaya San Juan High School. So, for 8 years, tinuro kong grade lower years. And at the moment, senior high school na rin Catalan.
What's the biggest challenge you face in the classroom?
Okay, biggest challenge, dalawang bagay. Una, yung mentality ng mga bata. Pangalawa, yung behavioral problems nila. Okay? Yung sa behavior, kasama na yun yung psychological. Yung una, mentality. Kung nakakaya ba ng learner yung level ng subject na tinuturo sa kanya. Okay, doon ako medyo na-challenge kasi hindi lahat pantay-pantay yung mga bata. So, may iba't ibang level sila ng katalinuhan. So, doon medyo nagkakaroon ng challenge. Pangalawa is yung psychological, yung emotional, something ganon. Yung behavioral challenges. Ano yung mga behavioral challenges na yon? So, kayong mga senior high school ngayon, nagiging outlet or extension house nyo na yung school. So, yung nagiging challenge ko as a teacher sa mga bata is yung nagiging situation sa bahay na dadala sa school. So, kapag nadadala siya sa school, naapektuhan na yung level ng mentality ng bata, kung may presence of mind siya sa school, or kung maayos pa ba yung pakikitungo niya or yung actions niya because of that situation sa bahay na nadadala sa school. So, isa yun sa mga challenges na na-experience ko.